You started watching this a few seconds ago, and already a part of you wants to check something else. Another tab, a notification, your phone. Be honest, you've already felt the pull. You're not broken, you're not lazy, but something has happened to your ability to focus. And once you see what it is, you can't unsee it. Let's start with a number that should scare you. In 2004, a researcher named Gloria Mark began timing how long people focus on a screen. Back then, the average was 2.5 minutes, 2.5 minutes before switching tasks. She ran the study again years later. By 2012, it had dropped to 75 seconds. Today, around 47 seconds. 47 seconds. That's the average now. Before your brain jumps to something else, you probably felt the urge twice already, watching this. So what happened to us? Here's the first hard truth. You were never actually good at multitasking. Nobody is. Your brain cannot do two things at once. What it actually does is switch, fast, back and forth, back and forth. And every single switch has a cost. Scientists call it attention residue. When you jump from one task to another, a piece of your attention stays stuck on the last one. So you're never fully on anything. Answering a text while working, you're doing both. Badly. Half your mind is still on the conversation. The other half never fully arrives at the work. You feel busy, you feel productive, but you're running your brain at half power all day. Now here's where it gets worse. Every time you switch and get a little hit, a new message, a like, a fresh video, your brain gets a tiny reward, and it learns. Switching feels good, focusing feels hard. So you train yourself thousands of times a day to crave the switch and flee the focus. Your attention span didn't just shrink by accident. You accidentally practiced destroying it. But here's the part nobody tells you. There's a state your brain can enter where time disappears and work feels effortless. Athletes call it being in the zone. Scientists call it flow. It only happens after about 15 to 20 minutes of unbroken, single-pointed focus. Here's the problem. If you check your phone every 47 seconds, you never make it to that door. You've been quitting the climb right before the view. Most people have not felt real deep focus in years, and they think that's just who they are now. So here's what I actually want you to know. Focus is not a talent you were born with or without. It's not a personality type. It's not gone forever. It's a muscle. And like any muscle, it wastes away when you stop using it, and it grows back when you train it. You are not broken. You're just out of shape, and the gym is simpler than you think. Do one thing at a time. Just one. When the urge to switch comes, and it will, don't obey it. Just sit with it for a moment. That discomfort you feel is not failure. It's the exact feeling of your focus getting stronger. Start with 10 minutes, then 20. Protect it like it's the most valuable thing you own. Because in a world built to steal your attention, the ability to focus might be the rarest superpower left. So tell me, how long do you think you can go without checking your phone? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. And if you made it to the end of this without switching away, subscribe. You just proved you've still got it. At Neurospark, we make the science of your own mind impossible to ignore.